a smile on the face. And my deepest fear is to get lost in the land of the blind. Like many before me, I've got another way to walk. Until what I've witnessed, I have to find similarities. Oh, I swear I would quit it. We're going down with a smile on the face. And my deepest fear is to get lost in the land of the blind. Like many before me, I've got another way to walk. Until what I've witnessed, I have to find similarities. Oh, I swear I would quit it. There is no time, there is no death. Illusions, confusion. We are seconds in the universe's life. Just breathe it and feel it. I've got another way to walk. Until what I've witnessed, I have to find similarities. Oh, I swear I would quit it. We're going down with a smile on the face. And my deepest fear is to get lost in the land of the blind. Like many before me, I've got another way to walk. Until what I've witnessed, I have to find similarities. Oh, I swear I would quit it.
Yo, what up, everybody? How are we doing? Happy Monday, fam. How we doing, fam? I love, appreciate all you. What's up, Wade? That's Wiggy. Room, of course. Accumulating. I like, dude, that's such a... Accumulating. Such a great Twitch name. I can't believe you got that. So Naviv, nice, 8 figures. Quincy, Rippy Erno, good morning. How we all doing? You all having a good time? It's Monday. I'm gonna take a short, say maybe we'll go back down to the lows here. Or moving up higher. I see a sell on the 10-minute, so I expect maybe this come down. I mean, we'll see. Maybe it keeps going up. The S&P, obviously. There's going to be some great shorting opportunities in the markets, like if you're able to tap into some of those US stocks, and if not, you know, if you got some European stocks or any of those you know, where you're located, what you can dabble in. If you have any of those you want me to check out, I'd love to chart those for you. Options are a great way to take leverage in the market with minimal risk. And so what you do is an option gives you leverage, okay? And then the actual risk you're taking is just the price of the contract. So you buy a contract, an option contract, you pay a set price. That's the set price you pay for this bet, right? And if it doesn't go your way, you lose the bet. You lose the money you put in on this. If it does go your way, well, then you have leveraged gained on your position. So it's whether it's a call, long, or put, or a short. So in my opinion, I'm definitely going to be taking a lot of stock positions here in the near future. I'm seeing Bitcoin kind of front runs the S&P. It's kind of crazy like that. Like look at this. This is the 5-minute, but like the 10-minute S&P hasn't come down, but I can see it's going to come down. Stocks, like 10 minutes, one of those like godly time frames, but like RSI is pretty high here. Stochastic is already topped out on 10-minute, and we have no volatility. That's going to be a switch in position here on the S&P. So I expect this to come back down, even though we're flat right now. Well, I just realized the music's like up really high. Sorry, I didn't realize that. So what, anyways, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, options. And so spending like, you know, a couple $100 on the option here, a couple $100 on the option there, whether it's a call or put, because we're gonna have these, it's gonna be very volatile. So you're gonna be able to take advantage of moves. Sometimes in like an up only market, like you'll take like a call and like you just sideways consolidate for a while, and you end up losing maybe a little bit of money, or you make a little bit of money, but like the option isn't good because we're going like a down up, and like we have these good bounces. You know, you'd be able to follow somebody's lead and see that you know, hey, this is going to be a bouncing opportunity in the S&P. This can be a bouncing. Savage says it's going to be a bouncing up in Nasdaq. Like maybe I'll take a call on this stock that looks really good. You know, so anyways, there's just lots of potential in this market. I'm really excited. I'm actually going to be putting. I decided I'm going to put a lot more cash into options. And I'll be posting all my plays and trades. Like that, those Apple puts only cost me $350 per contract. I bought 10, right? And then after selling half at what sold really too early, 166, right? I broke even 165, made a little money off of it. I made only $6,000 off that. My puts were strike 170 for basically September 16th expiration, and they went down to 149. Apple 170 to 149. I mean, do the math right there. Like they could have been like $10,000, could have made like 10 G's, but like I made like 6, and you know, you're not going to be able to take advantage of the whole move, but it was a really good Really good put, fam. I could even go over that chart. It's actually a really clean chart. And this is a way you can use TA to take advantage of the market, in my opinion. Here's the put I took. All right, when I took it. I actually took it. This is the daily. I ended up taking them that Monday and Tuesday. So these, literally the top, these next two candles here. Or not the top, these next two candles right here. But anyways, you can see here on Apple how you have this really clean, you know, that trend line, that down trend line, very clean bearish, like such a nice setup. And here we are. I'm actually closed out of this position. You know, I could use this. I could still always use this for clout. That's the main reason you got it, right? Clean this up actually. You can just see right here, right? And the markets look like they're going to top. I mean, what a great put you could take here. 350 per contract, maybe only buy one contract, but as soon the break even was 166, fam. Look how quickly we dropped. This is the weekly, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a month from those puts on August 15th. 1 month for clout. Yeah, always got to keep the shit for clout. It's a fucking great call, right? And I'm looking at stuff. I'm looking at like, all right, so Apple monthly to me looks okay. You have a lower low structure. This could easily be some type of downward channel here. See, you can see it, right? Whatever, right? As we drop down, and I would say, now look at this level, right? We're all gonna look at this level of the monthly Apple, all right? Right, it's pretty clean level. Look at the price action is. Now let's go to something like Amazon. Where's my Amazon? There it is. Okay, right, check this out. All right, let's look at Tesla. Tesla don't look too good, I'm telling you right now. It's a more defined, like bearish, a top, lower high, higher high, lower high, change in structure. This is the monthly chart, fam. Right? Apple also at that key level right there. Look at Apple, Amazon. Retested that key level right there. Come back down. Tesla hasn't even touched that key structure, so I think we're going at least 166. Can you imagine Tesla at 166 is at 280 right now? That's like shorting BNB, fam. There's a lot of, oh yeah, I think Nvidia. There we go. Nvidia, look at this one. Now check out this one. You think those are all bearish? Look at this fucking shit, dude. Broke down trend line, Facebook, Meta. Broke down trend line, bearish retest. Look at this. This is the monthly. TikTok. Like fucking, dude. I mean, we're in bad shape. Like the shitty ones go down first, right? Like this is Meta, Facebook. I mean, who gives a fuck about them? Amazon, I'm telling you right now, looks bad. Like, they're gonna have to save this shit, dude. They're gonna have to hold that 102. You think we can get 65? I think we might be able to get 65. 59.60. How's my Bitcoin looking? Am I still in the red? Oh, there it goes. come on, here it comes. Flip that shit upside down. Enough of this. Am I long? No. This is my position right now. Accumulating. I'm short from right here. Yeah, I don't think this looks too good, but you know, you can kind of notice distribution if you know what you're looking for. In my opinion, like you can really take advantage of that knowledge. Hold on, I'm trying to fix something. Where's my bottom? Alright. I've heard that song. Yo, Ian Nadada, thank you for that follow. Yo, Sammy, earlier 20 minutes ago, thank you for that follow. I appreciate you. The volatility's got to come one way or another, and we're compressing, so we'll see what happens. No official signal. You mean in the premium? I mean, I guess I should have put it up. I kind of see it like as it is, like I'm not ready to put up the signal. Yeah, 8 figures, you're probably right. I mean, I play it a little bit differently. I mean, what would be wrong with coming back down? Nothing, right? It's funny. See, I don't put up all my signals in premium because I'm just always trading. And I try to put up the best probable signals. Oh, whoops. I don't know. Probably for another hour. I don't know. I might leave the stream on with my trade up, or not up. I might close it. That's the whole idea of That's like a little 3-minute bull flag printing. Up and handle. Damn. Volatility is crazy right now. Could talk about what my system says. I'll get to that in a second. I feel like this is like a crucial time to be in a short. 8 figures, yeah. That'd be a great narrative. I don't know, I'm watching the 3-minute right now on another chart over here on the left. And all my analysis says dump. Yeah, I mean, I want a short higher. Like this is kind of only a scalp short. It's not that. It's like I'll take this one down right to fill this area right here. 18.9. You know, just a little scalpy scalp. Yeah, it will. It has. Well, I think the problem is I think it's gonna go lower. So I think. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna kill the music for a second. I'm just gonna watch this. Another. Alright. Alright, so let's go to a different chart real quick. All right, so let's talk about Bitcoin, right? I think it's important to talk about Bitcoin. Where we are, we're gonna just zoom out here. Look at this shit, right? The monthly closes in 4 days, but the monthly level is at 20K. Reason I said we won't see 20K again is because I'm expecting us to close below that 20K mark on the monthly, which is just going to be a slow bleed down. Maybe we get a wick up. I mean, they would definitely want to wick this baby up. But on the volatility, right, it's low. So you don't want this to be a blue candle, or a green candle, whatever. You don't want this to be you want the compression to happen with the price. So we want to see these monthly candles come down while this compresses and chills out, and then bulls come in hard, right? Accumulation. Let's go to the daily. Daily's compressing. In fact, we have a little tick up. Problem is, and then there it goes. It just went flat. Problem is as the price goes down, you can see the sellers push this pressure from the bulls down. So it tells me like there's an even pressure from both sides. Like bulls are trying to push it up a little bit, but they're not trying to push it up with too much strength yet. It's not showing on the volatility. There it is. See how it just ticked up? It just ticked up there at 19,164, and you'll see it go flat again. That's going to give you an idea of possibly the next move. So this move could be going up. Let's see if the bears can push us down past that 19.140. It looks like 0.130 ish. But see, here it is. Bulls pushing down the sellers are pushing down the buyers right now. So there's not a lot of pressure coming from basically the bulls, right? In fact, if this stays flat or it notches up, it's good for the bulls. It's not the worst candle, but it just tells me we're at a compression point to where there's going to be a big move, and I can't really read it on this daily. You can try to read it, break it down to other ones. Like, let's look at the 12 hour. I think the 12 hour has, there it is. All right, so look how much compression is on the 12 hour. You don't want to see this move up and this not move up. If this moves up with this, it's a good sign. If this moves up, this doesn't move up. In fact, it even gets absorbed more. It means it's just all getting, it's short, sell, and then we're going to drop hard. Like, it's going to be a huge rejection. So watching that 12 hour is going to be key. They could have a huge short opportunity today. I don't know where that would take us. Really, 20 point, maybe we get back up to 20K for a nice short. Either way, the 12 hour suggests how the higher we go, the better the short right now. That's there's a move coming, and the 12 hour, in my opinion, is showing it. You can look at break it down to the 6 hour. Here's the 6 hour. Okay, look at this. Oh yes, here comes the bulls. Not really. This is weak. All it is they got the move to die down. We're going to have a move today. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be short on the 12 hour right now, unless that 12 hour changes. 8 hour short still big. That's big. I'm thinking big time frame. So even though 10 hour says short, so even though the 9 hour says this is weak, 8 hour, and the 5 hour, even though the 5 hour is picking up here, right? The candle's going to turn over, and that might be the next short opportunity. I mean, we're going to have, looks like I got to get out of this. Gotta get out of this shit. Get out. Get out. Probably going to flip long. The S&P okay with this? Oh, yeah. S&P is okay with it. Going to be a shorting opportunity today. Do I take this long? I'm not taking the long. I'm just going to wait to short. I'm going to wait to short. But it looks like we're going to go up. Looks like we're going to go up right now. I'm just going to wait for the short. And where we go with that short, I'm telling you right now, that 12 hour compression. Ooh, wee, baby. Baby, that shit's going to be good. That means by the end of the day, fam. By the end of the day, that 12 hour, however high we go, is going to be coming down, fam. Coming down. Ooh. I'm telling you right now. I'm going to see a little pop coming. But I'm not on that 12 hour. Compression while trying to... The expansion doesn't look good here, like on the 12 hour. That's what I'm looking at. The 10 hour, same thing. Little absorption. Let's see. This can change. We're talking, what, 10 hours left. 10 hours left in this 12 hour candle. Things can change. Right now, the 1 hour has volatility. That's cool. The S&P is pushing up right now, just so you all know. I'm just going to wait to short higher. It looks like we're going to pump a little bit higher. 30-minute. 2 hour, 4 hour expansion right closing lower than that. Yeah, I shooting and dropping nukes. Oh man, I might have to ban the word nukes in my chat. You know, it's just yeah, I got out just in time. I'm telling you right now, we're gonna expand up. It's gonna be a rejection. I could probably figure out where we're gonna eject. Let's see. All right, cool, cool. All right, so we're gonna do this. Rid of those. All right, you got nice compression here. We could see. Damn, dude, I'm gonna be wrong on my 20K call. I already know I could be wrong on my 20K call. They're gonna try to push us higher. They really want it. 4 hour. God, it's just right at this point, right? Like I want to be in a short, but like I know we could go much higher. Like they could definitely push us a little bit higher today and still bring it back down. What, like 19.7, 19.6? What are the daily levels on this shit? Okay, so 19.7. It's the 21 EMA. Okay, I like that. I like that right there. That's a good line. That's a good line right there. Watch this shit. Maybe a 19.694 short. Bam. What do you think about that? 19.6. Look at that daily. They're trying to expand up, fam. Oh, here's a 5-minute flat candle. See what happens. They're waiting. They're waiting for the S&P. Are we gonna pump? Oh man, this could be the week to take out some puts. I'm just telling you right now, fam. Ooh, it's gonna be juicy. Juicy, juicy. So many opportunities. Just gotta be patient, you know? Gotta be patient. You don't want to see the S&P stall. It needs to just keep pumping. Like, let's just pump it back. It's a little oversold. Doesn't need to be much for a couple days. Ethereum looks stronger than Bitcoin. That's always a bad sign. Ethereum, look. This is why it looks stronger. Ethereum dominance. Seeing a bounce here. Ooh, this is Ethereum's gonna have more pain. At least that's how this daily looks. Yo, that's nice. Good fucking log. Nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Dude, I'm telling you right now, Solana looks really, really good. Look at it, here we go. We're pumping. Pumping a little bit. It never makes sense in a bear market why we pump, but I'll tell you what makes sense. Shoring that pump. This is a dope beat, dude. Right? It never makes sense why we pump in a bear market. But what makes sense is shorting that pump. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, it's temporary relief for bear now. That volatility ain't looking good for Ethereum, Bitcoin. There. Golden pocket retracement. Golden pocket retracement. Ethereum shorts are looking around 1600. If that's what we're getting. About 1575, 1600. Yo, I'm just gonna... I might be flipping long here in a second. Not gonna lie. Might just have to do it. On a pullback. I think this is gonna come down temporarily. 15 minute. Kind of see like, see this like rounding kind of structure here. Like anytime you see that, how they kind of at support too. Oof. I need to get in this quick, dude. I need to get in this quick. How do you get into a long at resistance quick? Tealstreet. Baby. Gonna get this pullback or not? Like, all right, here we go. Here's the S&P. Looks like it might come down a little bit. I don't like any of the 5, 10, 15. Shit. Ugh, give me an entry. Something, dude. Is this manipulation? I'm not long in this shit. I'm not long in this shit. I can't long here. Yeah, that's right, Ripierno. But temporarily, it does not look like we long this on volatility. But this fucking system has not been wrong in the last fucking 30 days. I might have been wrong, but not this system, dude. This fucking shit's crazy. See this little expansion here. We break it down. Let's see the 18-hour. Oh, see, look at that. This is just it's a fucking trap. Fucking trap, dude. They could change that. They could change that. They want more though. If they blow over this weekly level again, look at that, dude. All right, come on down, S&P. All right, come on down. There we go. There we go. All right, we're coming down a little bit. $30 away from the 3-hour close and the 5-hour close, fam. It closes, fam. Here's the 3-hour expanding. Looks like up. Not gonna lie. So is the 5-hour. 6-hour is expanding up, not that much, but 6-hour has 3 more hours after that 5-hour close. So right now, this rejection is getting absorbed by sellers. There's not that big of sellers right now. I think we need to get in here. This is the time to get in. I'm gonna long wherever this scam pump is going. Dude. Or not. Finally. Come on. Dump it. Dump it, dump it, dump it. That was it, huh? Watch this shit. Watch this shit. It's gonna be it. Hold on, I'll be right back. Bathroom break. Failed breakout, possibly. We'll know in 23 minutes, I think. They can pop this over the 19,296 area. Which, fam, if you didn't see this shit, it's the weekly level we just lost. I mean, this isn't like, you know, this isn't brain science here. Right? That was the weekly level. Lost that level. We're underneath it. And technically, it's resistance till it's not, right? Resistance. So we really got closed an hourly or 4 hour or some solid candles over this. And I would say a 4 hour. But I think this next 3 hour, 5 hour print will tell us a lot. If we can pop over that, then I would expect that move up to 19.7, which is the daily 21 EMA. It's also I think it's the last high we saw there, kind of high area right here. Yeah, this is the Fed rate hike. Scam market. Ooh, 15 minute is hot. Volatility here. Really hot. Wow. Seven minutes. Wow, that's a really hot candle. Perfect. Coming off compression. They're trying to hold it right here. I think they want to pass this spot. They want a higher wick. That's what we'll short. That's the plan. The plan is short 19.6, 19.7 at 21 EMA on the daily. A lot of confluence there. And they, again, you know, to a bullish argument, this is kind of rounding out, which is good for a local bottom. So they're trying to keep this up. There's pressure from the bulls a little bit. Whales. You can see it here. And sellers were exhausted. So they could do some damage right now to some shorts if they wanted to. In my opinion, they could. They have a lot of control. Now, are they going to? That's what it comes down to, right? That's the question. If they can close this 3 hour, that's a start over 19.3. You're looking for a long scalp to 19.7, just flipping short there at 19.7. Maybe we can get higher. Maybe we can get up to 20K again. This is, like I said, this is promising. There's a lot of promising things, right? Like we talk about like hash ribbons. There's a lot of EMAs and MAs up here that are compressed, like some big ones for kind of a short-term bounce. Like, look, all the daily besides the 200s are right here. Like, we could really see a candle go to that 200 retest, daily retest. 28K, that would make a lot of sense. Ooh, can you imagine? A god candle this week or something. Weekly volatility low. They got a lot of control. They could do something here, fam. They could definitely do something here. They're holding right now the weekly 377. 21's right there. That's heavy. That 21 EMA is not going to be. They could scam pump it, but it's still pretty heavy. I would doubt anything too high right now, but just note that the daily EMAs and MAs. The reason I say it's too early is because the weekly 21 EMA is just like coming crashing down, and like the chances of us to pump even close to past this 24K, we'd need so much strength. It's just saying that the volatility is very low down here. It's not good for bulls. They seem to just be holding the price here. For that 15-minute now. Ooh wee. Hot. Up to 17K today before daily close. That's not gonna happen. Today, daily close dumped to 17K. I mean, if that happened, it'd be like... Let me just think about this. I just don't see that happening with the volatility today. They're not gonna let the price drop today. They're not even gonna let this crash yet. S&P. Still being absorbed on the way up. See, look at that. Nothing new for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's holding this level. I forget I can do this. There you go. Looking identical. Yo, fam, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna leave the stream up. We're gonna do the test. You're gonna be able to see my trades right there. On Tealstreet. I'm gonna leave the charts up for right now. I don't think I'm jumping in a trade yet. Ended up. Not shorting. I wouldn't short this yet. I would want to lose the 19,130. We're gonna leave the stream up. I will be back chatting. I guess tonight. Stream might go off. That's why we're testing it. Short way early, like 1950. The algos are holding it up. The hamsters, hamster wheels. It's just a scary area to short. I just want to short higher, but don't we all? Just gonna be chill vibes, charts. All right, let's try this. No. Oh, what did that mess up? Okay. Mess this up. All right, and then there we go. Looks like we're dropping. Damn, I should have stuck to my gut on that short. That was the support though. Just tap, so. Wanted to get a little bit higher. Whatever. Always another trade, baby. I'll be back, fam.
chose to ignore your extended hand. I'm on the second step looking down. I'm not sure if I'll come back around. Now that it stopped raining, and the feeling has gone away.
c'est le temps qui fait la musique.